Hey officers, how you doing today? So we're just gonna grab this cog, eat it at your friend over there. Aw, we missed. Oh no! Let me just help you there. What happens if I pick up this? Job very well done. Let's go see what else this world has to offer. Oh, you don't respect Spidey-Man, Karen? You don't respect Spidey-Man? Now you will feel the wrath. The painful wrath. Okay. What happens if I go on top of here? Hooey! This is what Spider-Man be like on a daily basis, part 3. Make sure to like and subscribe.